Forsyth County Commissioner Fleming El-Amin heard about the public's concerns around how the testing feels and volunteered to take us along with him as he went in for a COVID-19 test.
Okay, giving basic data here.
Elamine had not pre-registered for the event, so we'll follow along as he registers on the morning of. This event was one hosted at Winston-Salem State University's Anderson Center. By day's end, they had tested more than 80 visitors.
Okay, I'm going to text the word COVID to 704-850-6996.
Yes, sir.
That's how registration gets started. Once that happens, the system directs users through the process.
And I'm texting the word COVID, C-O-V-I-D. And I'm sending it in so I can register. I just completed that part, so I am now registered.
The next step includes a photo of your driver's license.
Let's get the license out. See if I got a message here. Thank you for choosing StarMed. Good morning.
Go ahead and click on that one. There should be a link.
Okay, I see it. There we go. Connect. And they want me to, do you want me to fill this out?
Yeah, so just fill that out.
Later in the process, he uses his phone's camera to load in other important information.
I got to take a picture of my insurance card.
He moves up in the line and is given supplies like hand sanitizer and a free face mask.
Good morning. Good. How are you this morning? Oh, sure thing.
Hand sanitizer and another mask for you.
Oh, thank you very much. You have the same, my friend.
He answers questions about his health at the next stop, and it's on to the swabbing.
So now this is the test. It's very easy.
Okay.
Okay. Uncover your nose.
You need my nose, huh?
Only your nose. Okay. It's very easy. Okay, and the another one. Okay. Are you okay?
It chuckles.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm
Have
good.
a wonderful weekend.
Thank you. You have the same, and thank you very much here.
Elamine had compliments to offer for the process.
It went very smoothly. The people here were very, very accommodating, very, very calming about how the process works. And so I commend them for their professionalism. It was very well done.
And gave his impression of the swabbing.
Yeah, the actual test procedure is like a little tickle in your nose. It's very, very easy to do. In fact, I laughed when I was having mine done because it's just a little tickle. So take the tickle and come on down and get yourself checked for your family and for your own self.
By the comments we heard from some, the swabbing is uncomfortable or it can tickle. But if you have a reason to be concerned about your status, get tested. For Winston-Salem and Forsyth County, I'm Ed McNeil.